and welcome back to The Oily Life. My name is Tanya and today is all about fall. Fall is my favorite time of year. The leaves changing, the cozy scents, the food, the clothes, just basically anything about fall I love. So I wanted to share some of my favorite fall DIYs with you today. I'm going to be sharing a diffuser blend, a natural hand soap, and a natural room spray. So we're going to get started with the diffuser blend because I'm ready for my house to smell nice this morning. So I already have my water in my Aria diffuser here. This is my favorite diffuser. It's beautiful. It is a little more pricey diffuser, but I love it. It's a showpiece of my home. So I'll have it linked down in the description box for anyone who's interested in it. So I'm going to start off by putting in 4 drops of orange. And orange is such a great complement to lots of different scents. Anything that you like, if it's a spicy scent or the tree oils or other citruses, orange is a great essential oil to complement any of those other scents. Then next, cinnamon for that little bit of spiciness. We're going to do 3 drops of cinnamon. Well, that was 4, but that is okay. Then 2 to 3 drops of clove. Also a really warm scent, great for fall and winter. And then finally, this may be one you're not as familiar with, but cardamom. Cardamom is also a great scent for fall and winter. I'm going to add in 3 drops of that. And then now that we have our oils in, we'll go ahead and get diffusing. Make our foaming hand soap. So you'll want a glass foaming hand soap container. You can get these off of Amazon. I'll have this one linked down below in the description box. And then you're going to add in 1/3 of a cup of Castile soap. I like the several minerals brand, but there's a ton of different Castile soaps out there. This one happens to be my favorite. All right, I'm just going to pour in our Castile soap. A funnel is your best friend if you like to do natural DIYs. Then next, we're going to add in a teaspoon of sweet almond oil. This is just to help make the hand soap moisturizing. I just eyeball it. That was about a teaspoon. Then a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Same, just to moisturize your hands. We wash our hands a ton all year, but especially in the cold fall and winter months, so having that little bit of extra moisturizing action is a great addition to any of your homemade hand soaps. Now we're going to add in some distilled water, and you're just going to fill the rest of the container up with it. And now we're going to add in our essential oils. We're doing vanilla, cinnamon, and clove. So we're going to start with our vanilla here, and I'm going to do 10 drops of vanilla. Vanilla is a thicker essential oil. It's actually an oleoresin. It's not a true essential oil. Just because of the way it has to be distilled. So it is a little bit thicker. There is nothing like the smell of vanilla with different spices though. It's one of my favorite combinations. And now we're going to do 10 drops of our cinnamon. And then 10 drops of our clove. And that's all there is to it. And hand soaps are super simple to make. They're very affordable. You just put your lid back on. You're going to gently turn it. You don't want to give it a full-on shake or you'll just have a container full of bubbles. So just gently turn it over a few times. And then it is ready to use. You'll see it foams right out. Smells wonderful, moisturizes your hands. Great DIY recipe to have in your arsenal of different natural DIYs. All right, now we're gonna move on to our room spray. The great thing about making your own room sprays is you can control what goes into them and you can customize the scents to what you like and the strength that you like. So for this room spray, you're gonna just need a spray bottle. I have a glass one here. I get these off of Amazon. I'll have it linked down below in the description box. And then I'm gonna fill it about a third of the way with witch hazel. Now the witch hazel is to act as an emulsifier to help the water and the oils mix. Really the best emulsifier you could use for this is a high-proof alcohol. I don't have any on hand today, so I'm going to use witch hazel. Witch hazel will work, it's just not quite as effective as the high-proof alcohol. So you will want to make sure that you shake this thoroughly each time that you use it. And you do want to get an unscented witch hazel. It looks good there. And then we're going to fill it the rest of the way up with distilled water. And now we're going to add in our essential oils. So for this one, we're doing tangerine, nutmeg, and cinnamon. Also a great combination for fall. Now today I've shared 3 of my favorite fall recipe scents. What are some of your favorite scent combinations for fall? Leave those down below in the description box and we can all get some more ideas about different scents we can try out during fall. So I'm going to start off with 15 drops of tangerine. If you don't have tangerine, orange will definitely work. The tangerine's just slightly sweeter than orange. There we go. Then next, nutmeg, classic fall scent and spice. Great for baking, great for different diffuser blends and these room sprays. And I'm doing 15 drops of that if I didn't mention it. And I'm doing 15 drops of each, so 45 total because I am using a large bottle. If you're using a smaller bottle, definitely cut down on the amount of each oil that you use. And then finally, our cinnamon bark. It smells so much like baking in here now. I love it. All right, now that we have our oils in, you just put your topper back on. And as I said, you're gonna wanna give it a shake each time. So shake it up thoroughly. That way you'll see the oils aren't sitting on the top anymore. And then it's ready to spray. I use this on my couches, on my rugs. I just spray it into my air, or I just spray it into the air. It's great for using in the bathroom, just any place you want to freshen up. I have never had any trouble with my room sprays hurting any fabrics. You can always test it out in an inconspicuous place first if it's a more delicate fabric, but it's never been an issue for me. So I hope you enjoyed learning these fall recipes today. I know that fall is a favorite for many people just based on all those great scents that go along with it. So I hope you'll give making these a try and that you enjoy them as much as I do. So take care and until next time, bye!